everyone, I'm Yunel Gregorio. Today I want to share something very close to my heart. Gusto kong pag-usapan ang mga taong nagbibigay inspirasyon sa akin sa bawat hakbang ng aking buhay, ang aking mga magulang. My parents are my ultimate role models. From them, I've learned the true meaning of love, sacrifice, and hard work. Sila ang nagsilbing gabay ko sa bawat hamon ng buhay, at sila rin ang unang mga taong naniniwala sa aking kakayahan. My mother, with her unyielding strength and compassion, has always been my pillar of support. Siya ang nagpakita sa akin kung paano magmahal ng walang hinihintay na kapalit. Her tireless dedication to our family and her ability to balance everything so gracefully is something I deeply admire. Kahit gaano kahirap ang buhay, she never complained. She always found a way to make us feel loved and secure. On the other hand, my father taught me the value of perseverance and integrity. Siya ang nagturo sa akin ng kahalagahan ng sipag at tiyaga. His wisdom and guidance have shaped me into the person I am today. Lagi niyang sinasabi, "Anak, ang lahat ng tagumpay ay bunga ng pagsusumikap." His wisdom have been mantra pushing me to strive harder and reach higher. Together, my parents show me the importance of unity and teamwork. Sa kanila ko natutunan na ang bawat pagsubok ay kayang lampasan kung may pagkakaisa at pagmamahal sa pamilya. They taught me that life may not always be easy, but with determination and positive attitude, anything is possible. Their love story is one resilience and unwavering commitment. Nakita ko kung paano nila hinaharap ang bawat pagsubok ng magkasama, never letting go of each other hand. Their partnership and mutual respect are what I aspire to have my own relationship. And every achievement I have, I see their sacrifice. Lahat ng tagumpay ko ay bunga ng kanilang walang sawang suporta at gabay. They are my greatest cheerleader and my most trusted advisor. Sa bawat hakbang na ginagawa ko, alam kong kasama ko sila, nag-aalalay at naggagabay. To my parents, thank you for being my inspiration. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng inyong pagmamahal, sakripisyo at pagtitiwala. You have given me the best gift anyone could ask for, the gift of a loving family. I'm at today because of you. Maraming salamat.